Hello students, welcome to all of you in bio classes. As you know that nowadays we are covering the chapter why do we fall ill. So far we have almost covered the whole chapter, but some diseases are left about which we are going to talk today. These are some diseases which are very common and you might be familiar with their names. First of all, there is a protozoal disease which is most common, and that is malaria. Malaria is a protozoal disease and common protozoal disease. Causal organism is a protozoa which is known as Plasmodium vivax. It is a protozoa and transmitted by the female Anopheles mosquito. Vector of disease is Anopheles female, that is mosquito, appear about 10 to 15 days after the bite. When a mosquito infected having the causal organism, that is Plasmodium vivax, in their saliva, when it bites a healthy person, the disease appears about 10 to 25 days after the bite. This period is known as, that is the period starts from the bite and when the disease appear, that is from bite to appearance of disease. This period is called as incubation period. Right? So the incubation period in malaria is about 10 to 25 days. Symptoms of malaria are shivering and chilling followed by fever and sweating. Shivering with cold, chilling, cold, and high fever. Then the high fever becomes normal and perspiration comes, that is sweating comes. This is the main symptom of malaria. Prevention: use of mosquito net, mosquito repellents which are very common, covering the stagnant water ditches, the water bodies nearby your residence, nearby your locality, where the water is stagnant. It invites the production of mosquitoes, the reproduction of mosquitoes. So such ditches must be covered. Apart from that, fumigation is also done by your municipality, municipal corporation, etc. So this is the prevention, and the treatment is the medicine. Chloroquine is very common. Chloroquine should be taken if the disease comes under the guidance of a qualified doctor, not at your own risk. Now the next disease is typhoid. It is a protozoal disease. Typhoid is a bacterial disease and the causal organism is Salmonella typhi, a bacteria, and because of this typhi the name typhoid has been given. Cause of disease is poor hygienic condition and lack of sanitation. Hygienic condition must be at top quality, otherwise this disease appears. Symptoms: fever usually rises in afternoon. The fever of typhoid normally rises after noon, that is in the evening. The other symptom are headache, cough, abdominal pain, that is stomach pain, stomach ache. Blood test shows the decreasing number of WBC. So your resistance power becomes decreased. Recovered person may excrete bacteria for 6 to 8 weeks, which is infectious for society. Not only the patient, but recovered patient also excrete the bacteria through his stool, and which is most dangerous. Prevention: hygienic activities should be taken. Washing hands properly by patients after defecation. Treatments are available which should be taken under the guidance of a qualified doctor, and some common medicines are ofloxacin, ciprofloxacin, norfloxacin are effective drugs. Now the third disease is rabies. It is a viral disease. Viral disease, so causal organism is a virus which is known as rabies virus. Vectors are dogs, cats, rabbits. These are pet animals. But apart from these pet animals, there are many wild animals also which are vectors of rabies, and they are wolves, foxes, bats, etc. These are wild animals which are the causal organism of they are vectors of these rabbits, and normally it appears with dog bite. Dogs which are infected with rabies are known as rabid dogs. These rabid dogs, when bites a healthy person, the disease appears, which is very dangerous disease. Normally it appears in 10 to 12 weeks. That is incubation period. But sometimes it takes to appear in 5 to 6 years. This is the incubation period. But the main problem is that the disease is diagnosed when the symptoms appears or visible. Mostly the disease is diagnosed when the symptoms becomes visible, and every year more than 50,000 deaths has been reported. 50,000 deaths has been reported every year. The main symptoms are anxiety, vomiting, loss of sleepiness, loss of appetite, loss of sleepiness is also known as insomnia. The patient becomes violent, that is not under control. Prevention, pet animal must be vaccinated properly. Second, keep distance with wild animals. Third, wash the biting area, the bite portion properly for 10 to 15 minutes with soap, and then proper dispute is not there, but only vaccination, that is post bite vaccination, is available. Post bite vaccines should be given by a qualified doctor. This is the only treatment. Otherwise, normally 4 doses, 4 injections of injectable are given. So this is the viral disease. Now one more disease which is very common, and that is tuberculosis. Which is commonly known as TB. It is also a bacterial disease. The causal organism is a bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a bacteria which causes this disease, tuberculosis. Right? Now the symptoms. high fever, loss of weight, excessive loss of weight, loss of waist, loss of health, nausea, vomiting, cough. It is an infectious disease, highly infectious disease, highly infectious disease. Prevention, vaccine is available, which is commonly known as BCG vaccine. BCG, normally given in childhood. BCG, Bacillus calmette guerin. This vaccine is for tuberculosis. Second prevention, mask should be mask is must for the person, for the patient, as well as for the nursing member. Because it is a highly infectious disease. Treatment, various medicines are available which should be taken under the guidance of a qualified doctor or a specialist of chest. Drugs are like rifampin, isoniazid, etc. are available in market, which should be taken under the guidance of a qualified doctor. Now next and last disease is COVID-19. It is a viral disease about which you are familiar with this disease, and the COVID, co means corona, VI means virus, D means disease, as it appeared in December 19. So the 19 number has been given. COVID-19, causal organism, coronavirus, symptoms, infection, cough, high fever, suffocation, that is difficulty in respiration. These are common symptoms, but the most dangerous symptom is the infection of the lungs. Within a week, more than 90% portion of your lung is infected if you have got the infection of coronavirus. More than 90% part of your lung is infected within a week, which causes your respiratory problem, your respiratory failure and suffocation, problem in respiration and decline in oxygen level. So declines the oxygen level, declines. Only prevention is available, not proper medicines has been made so far. Prevention, mask should be taken, social distancing, sanitization, of equipments, washing of hands properly, and last but the least is vaccination. The world's largest vaccination program is going on in India, so vaccination should be taken with Covishield or Covaxins. As far as medicine is concerned, no medicine has been discovered so far. Only remdesivir is given, but that is not the medicine of corona. Injection of remdesivir is commonly given, but it is not the treatment of corona. Now you can know the name of one more disease, and that is smallpox. Causal organism. It is a viral disease also. Causal organism is variola virus, variola major or variola minor. High fever. It is a airborne. That is, the virus are suspended in air. High fever with rashes on body, vomiting, nausea, insomnia, loss of appetite, etc. are the common symptoms. when the disease is severe, the characteristic pimples appear on face, trunk, as well as on legs. These pimples are called as muscules. And earlier, when it was very fatal disease, it used to leave the permanent mark or permanent scars on the faces of infected person. But the first vaccine of smallpox was discovered in year 1798 by Dr. Edward Jenner. And in India, in April 1977, India was declared a country which is free from smallpox. And in May 1980, the world was declared smallpox free by WHO. In year 1980, the WHO declared that the disease is eradicated from the world. Now some preventions. Preventions is like coronavirus. That is, mask is necessary, washing of hand, and sanitization. So these are some common diseases about which you have to know that which are bacterial disease, which are viral disease, and what are their common symptoms. So thank you very much, and almost the chapter is covered now. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much.